Welcome. In front of me is a UNIHERTZ Tank 3, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So, if you ever actually need power saving mode on this absolute brick, you can pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now disregard this automatic swipe, just decided to add one of the toggles for no reason. But anyway, we're looking for the power saving mode, or battery saver as it's called right here, which can be found on my device on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up this window asking you if you want to turn it on, and in the description, battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notification. Now out of these three parts of the message, the last one, delays notification, will be the most important, as the way it does this is by turning off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. So once the device is, let's just say, going to turn on, I'm going to lock it, it will then go into sleep mode and disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, based on that message that we have there, it implies that it will reconnect to Wi-Fi and mobile data every specific period of time, just so it can check if it's missing notifications, and then it's going to sync them up all at once. So you might have times where you get a bunch of notifications delivered to you at once, and just know that this is the power saving mode, trying to save the power. Anyway, once you're done with power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more and simply tapping on it once again. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.